Hi all. Wish you a very happy Janmashtami. Hope you all had a great one. I'm back today with another reading. It is a career reading, and any question that you have in your mind regarding career, whether any new opportunity coming up, you want to change your company, you want to change your job profile, or you want to take up some master's course or anything, whatever is in your mind. We'll see what the cards have to say regarding that. And yeah, I'd like to inform you all that soon I'll be coming up with a series on astrology also. So I'm already preparing for that, and I'll present that in front of you guys very soon. Okay, so let's start. Now, as you can see, there are three piles in front of you. One with the purple stone. This is pile one. The one with the gray stone is pile two, and the one with the green stone is pile three. So, whichever you like, whichever pile you feel drawn to, you can choose that. And now I'll start with the reading. So, let's start with pile one. The ones who chose the purple stone, here's your reading. We have the angels card also, so I'll check that later. First, let's see what tarot has for us. And the tarot cards that we have are Page of Cups and Ace of Wands. So this is a very good combination. Page of Cups and Ace of Wands both talk about the creative fields, the creative careers. So the people who are into creative careers, and if in case you have any question related to your creative fields, then I'd say that you should definitely go ahead with that opportunity, with those new beginnings. Those any project that you have in mind, you want to go abroad, study, or there's a new role coming up in your job and you want to take that up, then you should definitely go for it. Ace of Wands and Page of Cups both talk about new beginnings, about creative careers, about being open to new opportunities. So I think you should definitely go for those opportunities that are being offered to you. Any new profile that is coming up, any new project that is coming up, you should definitely go ahead with it. In case you're thinking whether the creative field that you chose would suit you or not, it will definitely suit you. You should definitely go ahead with that. If you want to pursue a career in the creative field, or you want to study the creative field, any stream in that field, you should definitely go for it, and it is a big yes. Now let's see what the angels have to say. And the angel too says yes, so you should definitely go ahead with this one. So pile one, it is quite a positive reading. I think you should definitely take up whatever you want to go ahead with, and it will definitely prove to be beneficial for you. Now, okay, so let's move ahead with pile number two, which is the one with the gray stone. Let's see what the cards have in store for you. I'll read the angel card later on. Let's see what the tarot says first. So, the tarot cards that we have are the Ten of Wands and the Hanged Man. Now, for pile number 2, whoever chose this pile, I think you people are feeling quite stuck in your respective careers, in your jobs, in your studies. You don't know where to go, which way to take, and you somewhere feel restricted and burdened, overworked, probably. I definitely think you should take a break and just think about what you really want. And I think you're taking too much of burden here, more than you can actually carry. So and you somewhere feel that the situation is not really working for you. There is a lot of uh, stagnancy here in this pile. So I think you should definitely go for a break. Take a break, think about what you really want to do. um, have a perspective about how things are moving for you, or how you would want to go about it. And don't stress yourself. I can feel a lot of stress in this pile. I can feel that the situation is really stuck, and you feel stuck in your respective jobs, and you feel that your career is not really moving in any direction, and you really don't know where to go, which way to take. So I think it is time to just hold your horses and rest for a while, have a perspective, and just think hard as to what you really want to do, and then take action. So don't take any action right now, but definitely please do not over stress or overwork yourself. Yeah. Now let's see what the angels have to say about this pile. So the angels say a year from now. So this stagnant energy that you're feeling, the situation that you're in right now, it will definitely improve within a year from now. And so I would really suggest that you know take some time, think about what you want to do, and then take any action. All right. We'll now move on to pile number 3. The people who chose the pile with the green stone. Let's see what the cards have to say for you. I'll let the angel card be, and we'll talk about the tarot that you have. Oh wow. This is an amazing pile. This turned out to be a great pile. It is the 8 of Pentacles and the 10 of Cups. So, the 8 of Pentacles here suggests that whatever project you were working on to, or whatever it was that you were putting work into, is definitely going to turn your dreams into reality. It is going to bring a lot of abundance and happiness to you, and your wishes will definitely be fulfilled, where you will feel complete. You will feel an abundance of things, and this is a very, very good pile. This is a very happy pile, I'd say, because the people who chose this pile, they're definitely they're doing very well in terms of work, and they're doing very well in their respective fields, and you're somewhere quite satisfied, and you feel motivated to work and go ahead with whatever you're doing, and it will definitely yield very good results for you. and also it will turn all your dreams into reality. So whatever opportunity you see in front of you, whatever new project that you're working on, I think you should definitely go ahead with it. And this will definitely, make your all your dreams come true. Now let's see what the angels have to say. And the angels also say that there's a lot of abundance coming in for you in the near future. So pile 3 seems to be really in a very good space in terms of work, in terms of career, and that's very nice. All the hard work that you put in pile 3, it will definitely prove to be beneficial for you in the coming months or the coming weeks ahead. Yeah, so that's all I have from today's reading. I hope you enjoyed the reading. It was a quick reading. In case you want to have personal readings, I do give personal sessions too. You can contact me. My contact details are given in the description box below. You can WhatsApp me, or you can email me, and then we can go ahead with the process.